In this video, I'll be showing you how to change default PDF viewer on Samsung phone. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. Now, Android doesn't have a single default PDF toggle like it does for your browser or phone app. Instead, PDF handling is managed through the open by default links. So if your phone keeps opening PDFs and apps you don't like, then you need to break that link first. So what you want to do is go over to your settings application, scroll down until you find apps. Go ahead to apps, and at the very top, you're going to see choose default apps at the top. Go over to that. Then scroll down until you find opening links. Now, all you want to do is go over to Adobe Acrobat or anything you want, and then you're going to be able to change your default PDF viewer. I would just recommend something that is meant to be a PDF viewer, like Adobe Acrobat, which is completely free on the Google Play Store as well. So I'd recommend something like this. And then, yeah, after that, you should be good to go. Of course, you can choose whichever application you want. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you don't know about yet.